Welcome back to online classes. My dear students, good morning. I am Divakar Pandey from Modern English School, Kuntinagar, Nevada. And today I am going to provide you second video lecture of lesson 2, and the topic is locating places. As in my previous video, I have already discussed you that there are two poles of a globe like the earth, north pole and south pole, and an imaginary line that divides the earth into two halves, equal halves, that is known as equator. And I have also discussed you those imaginary lines drawn parallel to the equator are known as parallels of latitude. Now today in this video I will discuss about the important feature of latitudinal lines. It means parallels of latitude. First of all, we have to care on the length of these parallel lines keeps on decreasing as we move away from the equator towards the pole. It means when we go towards the poles from equator in each hemisphere of the earth, the parallel of lines, it means latitudinal lines, keeps on decreasing. So this is the first feature of the latitudinal lines. And second feature is that all these lines, it means all the lines of latitude are parallel to the equator and form a complete circle except the north pole and the south pole, because these are only points. जितनी भी समानांतर रेखाएं, काल्पनिक रेखाएं जो इक्वेटर से होकर गुजरती हैं वो एक पूरा पूरा सर्किल बनाती हैं और केवल उत्तरी ध्रुव और दक्षिणी ध्रुव को छोड़कर ये सर्किल बनाती हैं। ये दो महत्वपूर्ण बिंदु होते हैं पृथ्वी के जो अक्ष से जुड़े होते हैं। And now when we come to the third feature of these latitudinal lines, so these lines are numbered. Yes, these lines are numbered, and like this when we study about equator we find the equator is marked as 0 degree latitude. This is the largest circle. It means equator is the largest circle that can be drawn on a globe. Now we come to know about fourth feature of these latitudinal lines. North pole is marked as 90 degree north and south pole is marked as 90 degree south. Like this we can say the value of north pole is 90 degree north and south pole is 90 degree south. All these parallels are drawn at a distance of 1 degree. So what is the distance between two parallels of latitude? Yes, the distance between two parallels of latitude is of 1 degree. Like this, there are 90 parallels in the northern hemisphere and 90 parallels in the southern hemisphere. Thus, we can say there are 180 parallel of latitudes. So, how many parallel of latitudes? 180. 90 parallel of latitudes in north hemisphere and 90 in south hemisphere. Now, we come to take a glance on these factors. It means what is the value of important latitudinal lines. The value of equator is 0 degree and the value of Tropic of Cancer is 23.5 degree north. The value of Tropic of Capricorn is 23.5 degree south and Arctic Circle value is 66.5 degree north. Like this, Antarctic Circle value is 66.5 degree south. Now we come to know about longitude. What is longitude? The imaginary line that join the North Pole and South Pole are called the lines of longitudes, or these lines are also known as meridians. All these lines of longitude are of the same length. This is the first feature. All the meridians are the same length, have the same length. The maximum distance between the two lines of longitude is at the equator. It means when we go to the equator, we find maximum distance between these two lines. It means maximum distance between two longitudes. The gap between the two lines of longitude starts decreasing as we move towards the poles. It means जैसे जैसे हम ध्रुव की ओर बढ़ते जाते हैं वैसे वैसे दो देशांतर रेखाओं के बीच की दूरी घटती जाती है. Where they join at North Pole or South Pole. Like this, the parallels of latitude lines of longitude are also numbered, and their total number is 30. It means 360. So what is the total number of latitudinal lines? 180. And what is the total number of longitudinal lines? There are 360. यानी कुल अक्षांश रेखाओं की संख्या 180 होती है, लेकिन देशांतर रेखाओं की संख्या 360 होती है. Now we come to know about the Greenwich. What is the Greenwich? The Greenwich is located near London. Why it is necessary to know about it? Yes, the Greenwich, which is located near London, is taken as 0 degree longitude. It means the value of equator is 0 degree and the value of longitude near Greenwich is also 0 degree. That is known as the prime meridian. It means the line of longitude which passes through Greenwich near London is valued